this is the driver's side seat. You need to pull the seat out.
Pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger in back of the driver passenger seat. The trigger is right there. Point to it. Okay, pull that. So we move the plastic clip. Two of them, three of them, I think.
Okay.
So open this panel. The regulator is sitting on the bottom. You want to open this panel. So slide the track to the right side, right? So
yes,
the track.
Yes.
So once the track is clean all the broken pieces around the track, you just have to insert the track back onto the glass.
Pull the panel.
So this thing is on the way.
Yeah, put the glass in behind the panel. Okay, like that.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
So the glass is in right now?
Yeah, I'm going to okay?
So once the glass is on, put back on the track?
Yeah, in the truck, inside the truck.
Okay, now you're gonna connect the
Cable.
The heat cable, right?
Like regular cables.
So connect back the cable. So you always connect the passenger side first and make sure to open the center glass more than halfway, and then you can connect the driver side. It's a lot easier. The cable is more loose, right, isn't it?
Yes.
So it's easier to connect the driver side.